Are you looking to decorate your home for spring using a basket? Well, if so, then stay tuned. Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I am participating in a challenge called the Spring Basket Vignette Challenge. This is being hosted by Lori of the channel Creative Lori. I'd like to extend a big thank you to her for hosting this. This is a no-spend challenge. She wants us to take a basket and use greenery, florals, and spring character to create a spring display for our home. The caveat is that you're not supposed to spend any money. You have to use items that you already have on hand. So that's what I'm going to do. She also wanted you to think outside the box and create something a little unique. So for my basket, I am going to be using this silver basket. It's really more like a plate, raised elevated stand of some sort, but it does have a handle, so I am considering this a basket. Now, it is a bit tarnished, and I actually like to have my silver nice and shiny, so the first thing I'm going to do is polish this, and then I'll get going on creating the vignette. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do, as I mentioned, is polish my silver. I always use Wright's Silver Cream. It's kind of a purpley color. Don't know if you can see that. It comes with this little sponge applicator. I don't actually like to use that for polishing. I find that using one of these cotton pads works better. So I just dip it into the cream and I start polishing away. I'm going to speed through the polishing, but one thing I did want to mention is make sure you use enough of the polish. It really will do all the work for you. Okay, my basket's all nice and shiny. As you can see though, when I'm polishing silver and it has filigree work like this or on the handle, I don't try to get in all the little grooves because the patina between them makes the detail of the filigree work stand out a lot better. So just a tip for you, don't try to go into all these little nooks and crannies. It actually is meant to tarnish like that over time so that you create the contrast. The first thing I'm going to do is take the rest of the Excelsior grass that I have on hand and make kind of a little nest here for my display. And then I have a few pieces of this fluffy green reindeer type moss, and I'm just going to set that around the edges to create a little contrast with the Excelsior. Since I have it on hand, I might as well use it. Just make a little bed here. I'm actually going to put it more into the middle so that my little figurine can sit on top of it. And now I have this little wooden bird. This is a more recent purchase, but I didn't purchase it for this challenge. I had it on hand. I got it at Pier 1. And for those of you who've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I love little birds, and this one I thought was really cute, had a cute face, and I like the natural color on it. And I think this is made out of resin, so I'm just going to set the little bird in the center of the nest on top of the little moss. And then I have a few more pieces of this Queen Anne's lace that I picked up at the Dollar Tree around Christmas time. I'm going to snip these individual branches off and sort of tuck them around into the nest. I've left the stems a bit long so that I can reuse them if I want to, but I have bent them with a little bit of a curve so they will slide along inside my container. I'm just going to put a couple of them on each side of my bird, since this will be a one-sided display. You tuck the ones that have a little bit longer stem on them first, and I'm pushing it down into the Excelsior so that the stems won't really show. Just sort of layering one on top of the other. And I think I'm all set. I'll show you from the front angle. Oh my goodness, I just love how this looks. This little bird looks like it's sitting in a nest with flowers surrounding it. And the green in the Excelsior contrasts nicely with the dark brown tone on the bird. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. And I would never have come up with this idea to do if Lori hadn't had this challenge. So thank you, Lori. This is just perfect. And I have the perfect spot for it, which I will show when I do my home tour. So I hope you'll come back and see that. What did you think? Let me know in the comments down below if you liked this and what your favorite part was. And if you did like it, I'd appreciate you giving me a thumbs up. That lets me know you liked the content I provided. And once again, I'd like to thank Lori for hosting this challenge. I always have fun participating with her in these challenges that she hosts. Also, again, if you are new to my channel, I do post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. So I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button in the description box or the icon in the corner of this video. I appreciate all of you watching, and I hope you're having fun decorating your home for spring. I know that I am. I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.